This is my Ddpai mini dash cam. You can rotate it. Here is the lens. And let's go straight to the app. So this is how it looks. You can adjust. And it support up to 128 GB memory card, no internal storage, and it has got built-in Wi-Fi. So you don't need a Wi-Fi connection to check the footage. You can use its inbuilt Wi-Fi. So as you can see, I'll show you some night footage. This is daytime footage. This is how it looks. It's 1080p resolution. Pretty good clarity, no complaints at all. Night footage looks good. And you can even apply the filter, which you can buy separately in Amazon, so it will increase amount of clarity in the videos. Not a drastic change, but the reflections will reduce. So if anyone is interested, they can use the filter. It's available online. Loop recording is available, and it also records the audio. So it's a good thing to have in your car. And the clarity is pretty good. App support is decent, no much issues. So if you apply the filter, the video footage will look more crisp. So that's all about Ddpai mini dash cam.